super simple lavender whipped cream. Start with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You're going to add about 3 tablespoons full of powdered sugar. You're going to add approximately half a teaspoon full of Lavender Vanilla bourbon extract. And you're going to whip it. In a soft peak stage, you're going to go ahead and drizzle in about 1/4 of a cup of lavender rich syrup. Slowly. Make sure you don't mix it into butter, although that wouldn't be so bad either. And it gets to be about soft peak.